Hi and hello my dear friends, and welcome once again to another episode only here at My Cakes and More, where my cakes are also yours and more. Today I believe is a great and wonderful day to share with you a simple yet an easy to prepare recipe which you and your kids will surely love. I, as an OFW or an overseas worker, I truly miss this back home. It is what we all love every morning, especially when you hear that old man shouting out in the neighborhood, then later on folks come and queue up for him. I guess you know what I am referring to. You're right. Today we're going to prepare homemade taho, or in English, it's called Filipino Silken Tofu with tapioca pearls and syrup. This recipe is good for everyone, whether you're in the Philippines or an expatriate or an overseas worker like me. I came to find out that this can simply be prepared by you following these 3 simple steps to preparing homemade taho. So, let's start! So my dear friends, thank you for watching. Now another recipe is added onto your list. Please do join us once again in our next baking and cooking episode, only here at My Cakes and More, where my cakes are also yours and more. Finally, please don't forget to visit and comment on our webpage, like our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and please don't forget to click the tiny bell so you can receive updates to our latest videos. Moreover, please remember to like our videos and do feel free to drop a line or comment. Follow our Instagram account, and if you happen to have any questions or clarifications or doubts, please feel free to email us at. Again, thank you so much for joining us. Hope to see you once again in our next episode, only here at My Cakes and More, where my cakes are also yours and more. Thank you and God bless. Bye!